Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the IBO 02, and before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all the solutions related to any subject. If you any kind of problems in your studies, or you can ask us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. We provide all the solutions of any subject within a day. You have to just tell about what is your problem, and we provide all the solution within a day, within a time. So now we are here for question number one. This is an Indian automobile company decided to enter international markets. The company is ready to invest in marketing arrangements abroad but not in production facilities. Suggest any two suitable modes of market entry and explain their merits and limitations. So these are the questions that you can see on the screen. If you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us. We provide all the solutions at your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.